I'm gonna show you how to make fresh drinkable water from the salt ocean right now. I think we got it going here, guys. These can help us make fresh drinking water with this fire. Grab one bottle. We want to fill it up with salt water. Now this bottle here is filled with salt water. You can see right there, disgusting. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay this bottle just like this on its side, and it's gonna be connected to this bottle right here. As this bottle gets hot, it's gonna create steam. That's gonna go into this bottle right here, and that is gonna be fresh drinking water. You can see the steam slowly building up. So as that one cooks, creates steam, which passes over to this empty bottle. This is what had all the salt water in it. It's all gone. That is all the evaporation. Let's see if this thing is actually fresh water or if it's just salt. That's fresh water, man. Are you freaking kidding me?